guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to be showing you two different Dollar Tree DIYs that are both kind of around a sign and winter theme. So things that you could use to decorate your home or to kind of set somewhere to add a winter touch. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so for the first DIY, you're going to need a frame. And we ended up just picking up this one here from the Dollar Tree. And we actually like how it is this gold color. And so we're leaving it that color, but you can also paint it white, and I think that would look really nice, or even like a gray. And you'll just need the frame part. We made this chalkboard here out of styrofoam, and I will show you guys here in this clip of how I did that.
So then all we did first is just take the size of the picture that was in the photo frame and trace it on our styrofoam board so that we have the right size to fit in the frame. And then we just went ahead and cut it out so that we could get it ready to paint.
Alright, so what you guys are going to need is this chalk paint by Rust-Oleum, and then you'll just need a foam brush, and then we're just going to go ahead and put that on the top of this, and then I'm going to have my husband help me since I can't paint. And then you will also need a ornament. This is optional, and you can find like even like stencils or anything like that would work, but we just thought we had this and we might as well use it. And then the last thing you will need is a chalkboard marker, and we're gonna go ahead and write some words on there. So that's all you'll need for this DIY. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and put the chalkboard back in the frame. That way I kind of know where I want to place everything. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and figure out where I want to put the snowflake first. So then I just took the jewel off there, and then that's where I'm going to use to hot glue, and then around the sides here as well. Alright, so then what we're going to write on here is warm and cozy. And we looked up some pictures online of kind of what kind of writing we wanted to do. And I'm going to try and freehand it with a pencil first before I go right in with the chalk paint, just because we're not entirely sure yet how the chalk marker is going to erase because this is on styrofoam. So we are going to freehand it first, just in case it can't be erased, then we like what we have on here.
And we did a practice erase and it didn't really work so well. And I think it's because this was on styrofoam, so if you do want it to be erasable, maybe pick a different surface to paint the chalk paint on. And then in this clip, I am just going along all the downward strokes and making it slightly thicker. And in the next DIY, I explain this a little better, so stay tuned.
All right, so here is the first DIY that we did. I ended up just using it at my coffee bar, and I thought it looked really cute with the warm and cozy. And then I just went ahead and decorated my little tray here, and it's all ready to be used, and it looks super cute. All right, and so for this next DIY, we're going to be using a canvas, using these doilies from the Dollar Tree, and also the canvas is from the Dollar Tree. And then I will insert a clip right now of me doing this to the canvas, and so you guys can see how to do that. Okay, so now for this DIY, we're just going to be using this canvas. It's an 8x10 canvas, and it's from the Dollar Tree, and then using these multi doilies that you can get from Dollar Tree as well. So we're just going to place those on top of here and then spray paint it using a gray spray paint. And also you guys will just need a permanent marker because we're going to go ahead and put some writing on here as well, so you can use that for your winter decor. Alright guys, so for the same thing again, we did look up some fonts that we liked, and then I'm just going to try and freehand it again with the pencil before we go straight in with a permanent marker, just because I don't trust myself. But if you're good with calligraphy, just go ahead and go straight in with the permanent marker. And then also one thing I wanted to mention, we had these doilies represent like snowflakes, and obviously you guys can use like a snowflake pattern or stencil, but we liked the way that this looked, and this looks kind of wintry with this grayish blue color. And it's kind of fun because these doilies you could make something not wintry as well. You could make these as doilies for something Valentine's Day or something else too, if you changed up the background or whatever. But we're gonna use it as snowflakes today. And then every time there's a downward stroke, I'm just gonna go ahead and fatten up those lines a little bit. So I'll explain again. So like here, my pen went up, so I wouldn't make it fatter. Here it went down, so I would make it fatter. Here it's up, and then here it's down. And then it goes back up. So now I'm just gonna draw some super easy snowflakes. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some little dots in here and there to kind of mimic some more smaller snowflakes. Same thing down here. Okay guys, and here is the second DIY. We just incorporated it here on my little table, and then we just put it next to this wooden snowflake, and then we just have the sign right in front. And this will just add something pretty and wintry to your table.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. We hope you loved these DIYs and try them out for this winter season, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!